The world is once again witnessing the brave people of Iran stand up. Their cry for dignity, for freedom, for the choice to live and be governed as they choose has been heard across the globe. Close to 30 people have already lost their lives. The people of Europe see what is happening on the streets and in the hearts and minds of the people of Iran. We know the change that is underway. It is the Jina Mahsa Amini generation who reject the confines of the forceful theocracy that still rules over every aspect of their lives. The generation who want to tear off the shackles of oppression that have chained them for too long. Who stand up to face down the cruelty of a regime focused on self-preservation rather than rights. Who understand that being imprisoned and beaten for your political beliefs has no place in the free Iran they wish to emerge. The people of Iran are not protesting, they are crying out. Europe hears them, the world hears them, and they will only get louder. If there is one thing that history has taught Europe, it is that we know that there is no prison, no threat, and no tear gas canister that can hold back the inherent yearning for liberty that we all feel as human beings. To the people of Iran, your pride and dignity as a people determined to build a great, free nation will inspire generations in Iran and around the world. Europe has always stood by your side, and you will always find us there with you.